Here we are discussing the next question. The question is like this. Water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed? Okay. What is given here and what is the question? എന്താണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറഞ്ഞത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഒരു കനാൽ, ആ കനാലിൻ്റെ ഡെപ്ത് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, അതിൻ്റെ വിഡ്ത്ത് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? എത്രയാണ്? 6 മീറ്റർ വൈഡും 1.5 മീറ്റർ ഡെപ്തുമുള്ള ഒരു കനാലിൽ കൂടി എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റർ സ്പീഡിലാണ് വെള്ളം ഒഴുകുന്നത്? 10 കിലോമീറ്റർ പെർ അവറിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഫീൽഡ് ഇറിഗേറ്റ് ചെയ്യണം, ഫീൽഡ് നനയ്ക്കണം അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഫീൽഡാണ് നനയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓർമ്മിക്കുക, ഫീൽഡ് നനയ്ക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് നനയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്? നമ്മൾ നനയ്ക്കേണ്ട ഒരു കണ്ടീഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ആ ഫീൽഡിൽ 8 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ഉയരത്തിൽ എന്തുണ്ടായിരിക്കണം? വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന രീതിയിൽ, സ്ഥിരമായിട്ട് 8 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ഉയരത്തിൽ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് ആ ഫീൽഡ് നനയ്ക്കേണ്ടത്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്? അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഈ കനാലിൽ നിന്ന് വെള്ളം എടുത്തിട്ട് 30 മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് എത്രമാത്രം ഏരിയയാണ് നമുക്ക് നനയ്ക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറ്റുക എന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. Correct? Then what is given here? Here is given, what is that? Yes, the width of the canal and depth of the canal and the flowing rate of the water. Correct? The flowing rate of the water. So here is given depth, width and the flowing rate. Then is very clear the canal in the form of a cuboid. Okay, here is clearly given width and depth, but here is not given the length of the canal, but here is given the flowing rate of the water. വെള്ളം ഒഴുകുന്ന സ്പീഡ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Correct? In this type of question we will consider the flowing rate of the water as length of the canal. This type of question, the flowing rate of the water we consider as the length of the cuboid. What is the shape of the canal here? The shape of the canal is a cuboid. Then the width is given, depth is given, and what is length? As like this type of, in all the question, the water flowing rate we consider as length of the cuboid. Okay, then what is next? Irrigating the field. Okay, most commonly we know that what is the shape of the field? Yes, the shape of the field is a rectangle. Okay, is a rectangle, and we irrigating. How to be irrigating the field? Yes, then all the times we needed 8 centimeter water is there. Correct? ആ ഫീൽഡിൽ നമ്മൾ നനയ്ക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് എപ്പോഴും എത്ര സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ വാട്ടർ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം? 8 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ഉയരത്തിൽ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ നോക്കുക, ഷേപ്പ് റെക്റ്റാങ്കിൾ ആണ്, അതിൽ ഹൈറ്റും കൂടെ വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് ആ ഷേപ്പ് എന്തായി മാറി? യെസ്, വി കൺസിഡർ ദാറ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് അഗെയിൻ ആസ് എ ക്യൂബോയിഡ്. Okay, so is very clear the volume of the canal is equal for the volume of the water standing in that field. Then our idea, volume of the water in 30 minutes is equal to, yes, volume of water in the field. Okay, 30 മിനിറ്റിൽ ഇറിഗേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഏരിയ ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. So our idea of water from canal in 30 minutes is equal to volume of water in the field. Okay, so we first find out the volume of one by one. First we find out the volume of canal. Okay, then canal, the length of the canal, the length of the canal is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. Then it's very clear all other measurements are given in the meter, so we want to convert the 10 kilometer in terms of meter. Then we know how to convert the kilometer in the terms of meter. Yes, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 10 into 1000 meter per hour. Okay, then 10,000 per hour. Then what is the length of the canal? The length of the canal is equal to 10,000 meter per hour. Then width is given. What is B? B is equal to 6 meter. Then what is H? H is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, therefore volume is equal to, we know the equation, we consider the canal as a, right? So the equation is L into B into H. Then 6 into 1.5 into 10,000. Then 6 into 1.5 is equal to 9. 9 into, yes, 10,000 is equal to 90,000. 90,000 meter cube. Okay, what is the volume of the canal? The volume of the canal is equal to 90,000 meter cube. Okay, what is this 9,000 meter cube? 9,000 meter cube is the volume of the water flowing through the canal per hour. Okay, ഒരു മണിക്കൂറിൽ ആ കനാലിൽ കൂടി പോകുന്ന വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ എമൗണ്ട് എത്രയാണ്? യെസ്, 90,000 meter cube. So what is this 90,000 meter cube? That is the volume of water flowing through the canal per hour is equal to 90,000 meter cube. Okay, then volume of the water flowing through the canal per hour is equal to 90,000 meter cube. Okay, but we needed the volume of water flowing through the canal not per hour, we needed in 30 minutes. Correct. Therefore, volume of water flowing through the canal per 30 minutes is equal to 90,000 by 2. Correct. It's a per hour means 60 minutes, so 30 minutes is a half of 90,000, then is equal to 45,000 cube. So what is the amount of water flowing through the canal in 30? The amount of the water flowing through the canal in 30 minutes is equal to 45,000 meter cube. Okay, next we need to find the volume of the water in a field. Okay, the volume of water standing in a field. Okay, so for that, here we don't know what is the area of the rectangle, we know only the height of the cuboid. After the irrigating the field, then 8 centimeter water is standing there. That time what is the height of the cuboid? The height of the cuboid is equal to 8 centimeter. Correct. But here we don't know the length of the field, we don't know the breadth of the field. Correct. But we know what is the shape of the field. The shape of the field is as a rectangle. Correct. The shape of the field is a rectangle, then we know what is the equation of finding out the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So here we want to find out how much area will it irrigate. So directly we taking here the area for irrigating is equal to x meter square. Let the area to be irrigated by the water is equal to x meter square. Okay, then what is the height? Height of the water, the height of the water is equal to 8 centimeter. Correct. So here the height is given in 8 centimeter, but all other measurements are given in meter. Then we need to convert the centimeter to meter. Then how do we convert? Yes, we divide by 100. So is equal to 8 by 100 meter. Okay, then what is the height? The height of the field, the height of the water is equal to 8 by 100 meter. Okay, then next, therefore volume of water in the field is equal to, the equation is L into B into H. What actually L into B? L into B is area. Then area is already given, what is that? X. Then X into what is H? H is 8 by 100 is equal to 8x by 100 meter cube. Okay, 8x by 100 meter cube. Then we know that yes, the volume of water flowing through the canal per 30 minutes is equal to volume of water in the field. Correct. 30 മിനിറ്റ് കൊണ്ട് ആ കനാലിലൂടെ പോകുന്ന വെള്ളം കൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ആ ഫീൽഡ് നനയ്ക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ദ വോളിയം ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ ഫ്ലോയിങ് ത്രൂ ദ കനാൽ പെർ 30 മിനിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 30 മിനിറ്റിൽ കൂടി ആ കനാൽ 30 മിനിറ്റിൽ ആ കനാലിൽ കൂടി ഒഴുകുന്ന വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ അളവ് ഏതിന് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും? ആ ഈ ഫീൽഡ് ഇറിഗേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ എമൗണ്ടിന് ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് നെക്സ്റ്റ്? ദെർഫോർ ഈസ് വെരി ക്ലിയർ, volume of water flowing through the canal per 30 minutes is equal to volume of water flowing through the canal per 30 minutes is equal to in the field. Therefore, yes, 45,000 is equal to 8x by 100. Okay, therefore 8x is equal to 45,000 into 100. Then x is equal to 45,000 into 100 by 8. Okay, then is possible to divide, then what we get? Possible to divide 45,000 divided by 8. How many times 8 goes to 45? Yes, 5 times. Then 40, then 5 is balance 50. Then how many times 8 goes to 50? Yes, 6 times. 6 times, correct? Then 6 times, then 48, then 2 is balance, then 20, correct? 20, then 22 times. 4 is balanced, then 40, then how many times? 5 times. Then 5625 into 100 is equal to 5625 into 100 is 562500. Then what we get? 562500 meter square. So what is the last answer? Then we conclude, that is the canal irrigate 5,62,500 meter square area in 30 minutes. Okay, that is canal, the area irrigated by the water is equal to 5,62,500 meter square. Okay, then we conclude, therefore, or that is the area to be irrigated by water per 30 minutes is equal to 5,62,500 meters square. Okay, how much area will it irrigate? 5,62,500 meter square area will it irrigate in 30 minutes. Okay, the next question is like this. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 10 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, in how much time will the tank be filled? Okay, then what is an idea? Is very clear. Here we want to find out the time when the tank be filled by the water. Okay, അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? ഒരു ഫാർമർ അല്ലേ, എ ഫാർമർ കണക്ട് എ പൈപ്പ് ഓഫ് ഇൻറ്റേർണൽ ഡയമീറ്റർ 20 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ഫ്രം എ കനാൽ ഇൻ ടു എ സിലിണ്ടറിക്കൽ ടാങ്ക്. ഒരു 20 സെൻറ്റിമീറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റേർണൽ ഡയമീറ്റർ വരുന്ന ഒരു പൈപ്പ് സിലിണ്ടറിക്കൽ ടാങ്കിലേക്ക് കണക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നു. ആ സിലിണ്ടറിക്കൽ ടാങ്കിൻ്റെ മെഷർമെൻറ്റ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് 10 മീറ്റർ ഡയമീറ്റർ, അതിൻ്റെ ടാങ്കിൻ്റെ ഡയമീറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10 മീറ്ററും അതിൻ്റെ ഡെപ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 മീറ്ററുമാണ്. ഇഫ് ദ വാട്ടർ ഫ്ലോസ് ത്രൂ ദ പൈപ്പ് അറ്റ് ദ റേറ്റ് ഓഫ് 3 km per hour, correct? So in how much time will the tank be filled? Okay, അപ്പോൾ എന്താണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത്? ആ പൈപ്പിൽ കൂടി വെള്ളം ഒഴുകുന്ന സ്പീഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3 km per hour ആണ്. So what is 3 km per hour? 3 km per hour is the flowing rate of the water through the pipe. So we consider the 3 km per hour is a length of the pipe. Okay, we know what is the shape of the pipe. The pipe is a cylinder, correct? So here the pipe we consider as cylinder. What is the length? The length is we consider there as a height, correct? In the case of a cylinder, what we consider the length is a height. So the height of the cylindrical pipe is 3 km per hour. Okay, then what are is given? Here is given the two things in the case of pipe and tank. The case of pipe, the pipe is also cylinder and the tank is also cylinder. The both we consider here the cylindrical shape. Okay, so what are given in the case of pipe? In the case of pipe is given here the diameter is 20 centimeter and the height of the cylinder is, yes, height of the pipe is 3 km per hour. Okay, and in the case of a tank, what are given? Here is given the diameter is 10 meter and the depth means the height is 2 meter. Okay, so in the both cases here is given the, yes, diameter and height. Okay, so what is the question? The question asks to find how much time will take the tank be filled. Then what is the time taken to fill the tank? Then how do we find out the time? It's very clear. Yes, the volume of tank divided by volume of pipe. Starting, we first find out the volume of one by one. Then first the volume of tank, that is directly is possible. Then the case of tank. Then what is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 10. Therefore radius is equal to 10 by 2. Correct? And is given the height. Height is equal to, yes, 2 meter. 10 by 2 meter. 10 by 2 is possible to divide. What is the 10 by 2 is equal to 5 meter, and the height is equal to 2 meter. Then it's very clear tank is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay. Therefore volume is equal to pi r square h. The pipe is also in the form of a cylinder, so we not substitute the value of pi. Then pi into r square means 5 square into 2 is equal to pi into 5 into 5 into 2. We not multiplying, we keeping like this. Okay. Then meter square. The next we find out in the case of a pipe. Then pipe, what is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. Then how do we convert 20 centimeter in meter? Then 20 by 100. 20 by 100 meter. Correct. 20 by 100. Then it's possible to divide. Then what we get? 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter. Correct. 0.2 meter. Then what is the diameter is 0.2 meter. What is the radius? For r is equal to 0.2 by 2. What is 0.2 by 2? Yes, is equal to 0.1 meter. Okay, 0.1 meter. Then what is the length? The rate of the water flowing through the pipe is equal to kilometer per hour. So next we convert the 3 kilometer per hour in terms of meter per minute. Okay, then we convert one by one. Then how to convert? Then first we convert the kilometer to meter, then we multiply by 1000 meter per hour. Okay, then to convert hour to minute, then we divide by 60. 3000 by 60 meter per minute. Okay, 3060 by meter per minute. Then is possible to divide. Then what we get? Yes, 3000 is 0 is cancelled. Then 300, 30 how many times? Yes, 5 times. Then 50, then is equal to 50 meter per minute. Okay, then what is the length or height of the pipe? The height of the pipe is equal to 50 meter per minute. So therefore the volume is equal to the equation is same, pi r square h. Then pi into what is r? The radius is equal to 0.1. Okay, then 0.1 square into, yes, h is 50, equal to pi into 0.1 into 0.1 into 50. Therefore the volume of the water flowing through the pipe is equal to this much per minute. Okay, then we don't know the time, so we consider time taken to fill the tank is equal to t. Okay, the time taken to fill the tank is equal to t. Therefore let the time taken to fill the tank is equal to t minute. Okay, then per minute how much water it will came in the tank? Per minute that water came in the tank is equal to, yes, pi into 0.1 square into 50. Okay, then what is the time taken to fill the tank? That is the t. Then in a t minute how much water will come to the how much water will flow through the pipe? Yes, that is equal to t into pi into 0.1 square into 50. correct? Therefore, the amount of water flowing through the pipe per t second is t minutes is equal to per t minute is equal to t into pi into 0.1 into 0.1 into 50, correct? Then this is the amount of water will take to complete to fill the tank, correct? So this is an amount the water to fill the tank. ഈ ഇത്രയും എമൗണ്ട് വാട്ടർ ആണ് ആ ടാങ്ക് നിറയാൻ വേണ്ടി എടുക്കുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് എമൗണ്ട് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ദ വോളിയം ഓഫ് ടാങ്ക്. ഓക്കെ, therefore T into pi into 0.1 into 0.1 into 50 is equal to S pi into 5 into 5 into 2. So therefore T is equal to pi into 5 into 5 into 2 by pi into 0.1 into 0.1 into 50. Okay, then is possible to cancel pi and pi. Then 25 into is 50, then is possible to cancel 50. Then what we get now, then is equal to 1 by yes 0.1 into 0.1. Then 0.1 into 0.1 into 1 is 1. Then we need to put the decimal point after 2 digits, then 0.01. Okay, 1 by 0.01. Then we want to divide, so we multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 100, because now we got it 1 by 0.1. So it's not possible to divide directly. Then 1 into 100 by yes 0.01 into 100. Then 100 by 1. 100 by 1 means yes is equal to 100. Then 100 minute. Then what is the time taken to fill the tank? Therefore the time taken to fill the tank is equal to, that is the time taken to fill the tank is equal to 100 minute. Okay, then what is the time taken to fill the tank? The time taken to fill the tank is equal to 100 minute. Clear?